Hello everyone, welcome to the RDS YouTube channel, episode 1. My name is Brock Rumor. I'm the owner of RDS, and in today's episode, I want to introduce myself, introduce our business, and talk to you about our purpose, our mission, who we serve in this mission, and what we actually make, and walk you through some examples of those pieces. So stick around. All right, so let me talk to you about the purpose and the mission of RDS. So our purpose and our passion is to create bronze that will honor people, groups, events, and stories of significance that have positively impacted you, your life, your community, your organization. And that can take a variety of different forms. So let's take a look at some. So at RDS, we work with a wide variety of clients, including hospitals, athletic teams of all levels, cities, municipalities, villages, historical societies who want to bring forth and honor some event or person in history in bronze. We work with arts groups who might be interested in workshopping, tutorials, and having classes on sculpting or bronze casting. We work with cemeteries who may want a portrait. They have a client and wants to honor someone who has recently passed in a portrait. And then private clients of all sorts who either want a particular person sculpted or a scene or event. So we are here for all of those folks and ready to help you out. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in today to RDS episode 1. If you enjoyed today's content, please click share and subscribe so you're coming on back for more. In future episodes, we have a ton of content related to sculpting, the materials I use, the processes that we go through, and also we have some interesting conversations with other creatives in the design field. And we're going to try to tap into what that whole creativity is all about. So until next time, be well. We'll see you. Thank you. You're looking good.